You know these Snoopies I got for her?
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing I've seen Snoopy that she is mad for them and she has lost no. She didn't lose her interest. Like for everything, you know, she loses her interest after Zulu. You give me those scissors. Using them again.
No, I'm recording them. I'm making a movie out of it. So I can use it on my website.
That's very good. You won't mind, right?
No, I already asked him. He would send me large pictures if I want to. So. He's a nice guy. He's not doing it professionally. It's his hobby. Yeah.
And then the rest for 5-10 minutes, then I'll make dinner to make sandwiches for her.
I'm going to have sandwiches.
Huh? No, I'll have roti. Do you want to have sandwiches?
No, sorry. You talked about sandwiches, okay?
I talked about sandwiches for only. I can make them for you also.
No, but food has been prepared, huh?
That is prepared every day. It's not a big deal if some is left. So whenever I can make. But tomorrow I'm going to make some brown rice again. Brown rice that I made is over. And emergency. I found the chilies. You know, in that small shop on the left,
Small shop on the left.
there's a shop which sells vegetables. On the left,
Mm-hmm.
there.
Okay.
They were hidden.
Yeah. Oh, they were there before also, you mean?
Maybe, I don't know. But we checked out, no, that place?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, we have to one day, tomorrow, preferably, put this up, and this has the cupboard below has to be open, and lots of sheets and all that have been washed have to be put in.
It's not a big deal, right?
For them, it's a huge deal. They have been afraid to tell us for the last 1 week. It's been lying there. So you have to just tell me.
Yeah.
will I know? Sweetie, just a sec. Sorry. I'm just going to take this out. Do you have any loose t-shirts?
What, for you?
Mm. Oh, this way. Beautiful. What was that? That was sunbird.
Again, a sunbird. The sunbirds are the equivalents of the hummingbirds in America. You know the hummingbirds who can stand still in the air and then you can't see the wings, and then they suck. These are the equivalent. Evolution has invented the same kind of, let's say, animal in different places.
Okay.
More or less same.
It's funny.
Yeah.
It's also very interesting.
It's very interesting.
We also have to talk a bit about, what we buy from here for the lodge.
Yeah.
Do we buy something or not?
I've scheduled that for tomorrow.
Hmm? Yeah.
We have to buy soaps.
Oh yeah. But you know what? I already checked. at Needs, where they
Okay.
have these small soaps. As in, they have all kinds of soaps. They don't have these small ones. So that we have to check with Lobsang what he does, what he uses for his. Because and he's getting what I knew last year, was that he was using. He was getting these ones made. You remember? I used them also to try. He gave them to me also. These were these natural ones, handmade. Turmeric. They were called very nice things and very nicely packaged. But they were also not small. They were
They
big,
were from somewhere in Himachal, no?
Yeah, something like that. And they were very nice. I loved them. And organic, and very nice. Oh, what is this? What is happening here? Very nice. You know? But he was ordering them by the crate.
Okay.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah, but was it? Where did we see it? Because we never stayed in this hotel.
In his office. There were packets and packages lying. And I took 2, 3. Oh, wearing the short skirt is very good. You feel more